So here are all the babies, my guppies. I just cleaned the tank yesterday. Today morning they are very happy. They are playing. And I'm gonna show you how much for this many guppies. How much food do you need? That's the one I buy, the tropical flakes. And what I do is take about, let's say, a 30% of this spoon, like a quarter maybe. You pour it and then you give them 20-30 seconds to eat. And after like few seconds, I pour them a little bit more, just like very little flakes if needed. If you see everything is gone, they ate everything, I put a little bit more. Right now I think they got a good amount. Those are the new babies, some of them. If you can see, that's them.